Dictation start in 5 seconds. Start. I am directed to say that certain doubts and misapprehensions have been raised regarding distinction between warning and censure as there have now were been defined in clear terms. Stop. The position therefore has been examined and is explained in the following paragraphs for the guidance of all departments. Stop. The foremost aspect to bear in mind is the fundamental and formal distinction between the two terms. Stop. An order of censure is a formal and public act intended to convey that the person concerned has been held guilty of some blameworthy act or omission for which it has been found necessary to award him a formal punishment. Stop. Nothing can amount to a censure unless it is intended to be such a formal punishment and imposed for good and sufficient reasons after following the prescribed procedure. Stop. A record of punishment so imposed is kept on the officer's confidential roll, and the fact that he has been censured will have its bearing on the assessment of his merit or sustainability for promotion to higher posts. Stop. There may be occasions, on the other hand, where a superior officer may find it necessary to criticize adversely the work of an officer working under him, or he may call for an explanation for some act or omission, and taking all circumstances into consideration, it may be felt that while the matter is not serious enough to justify the imposition of the formal punishment of censure, it calls for some informal action, such as the communication of the written warning, admonition, or reprimand. Stop. If the circumstances justify it, a mention may also be made of such a warning, etc. Stop. In the officer's confidential role, however, the mere fact that it is so mentioned in the character role does not convert the warning, etc., into a censure, although such comments, remarks, warning, etc., also would have the effect of making it apparent or known to be person concerned that he has done something blameworthy, and to some extent may also affect the assessment of his merit and sustainability for promotion. They do not amount to the imposition of the penalty of censure, because it was not intended that any formal punishment should be inflicted. Stop. I am to request that these instructions may be brought to the notice of all government servants working under your control. Stop.